Hello, my name is Ariel Rader, and I'm a recent graduate of Texas A&M Central Texas with a bachelor's degree in human resources. In my time in the workforce, I have accumulated several experiences working for different employers in a variety of positions. The best traits that I have always brought to the table in each of those jobs is my ability to create a positive environment, produce desired results of business objectives through critical thinking, and manage resources available to meet business demands both at the local and the strategic level. I have 25 years of combined experience in organization, time management, customer relations, research and prioritization of customer accounts, and meeting or exceeding monthly quotas. In a previous employment at Scott Lowry Law Office, I was responsible for managing, maintaining, and organizing over 4,000 debtor accounts. I was able to accomplish this through extensive use and experience in computer software such as Microsoft Office products and Google Analytics development software. My customer service experience has always been a strong point, as well as technical aspects of my job. I am a lifelong learner and excel in learning new crafts outside the scope of my normal duty functions. This has led several past managers to grant me extended responsibilities such as Tier 2 and Tier 3 customer relations, cash handling, and organizing large customer portfolios. Thank you for your time.